using the drip network to stay safe in the DeFi bear market. Let's get into it. Welcome to DeFi Crypto Talk, where we talk everything DeFi and cryptocurrency space. If you're new to the channel, welcome. For all my subscribers out there, welcome back. Let's dive into it. So as you can see, I have the drip token price chart up, and currently we're sitting at $7.24. So we busted through that $7 range, which is good to see. Hopefully we remain above $7, and this is a sign of price appreciation and things turning around. I don't know why we had this big pump, other than I can just imagine just people getting into drip, accumulating. So either way, it's a good thing to see. So really happy about that. Moving on to my faucet, as you can see, I'm at 306. I plan on adding some from other projects probably tonight. I just compounded like 3 today, so I think the total will be about 310 by the time I add my other funds in there. So still just slowly chipping away and trying to get up to that 1,000 deposit marker. As far as how much I'm making per day, so that went up a little bit with that price appreciation that we had. So if you remember in previous videos, I was at $19 and now went up to $22. So not something to quit my job, but at the same time, it's something that I can say I am proud of, and that's more than if I were just to put it in the bank. So it's good to see there. Now moving on to the point of the video. So why do I feel staying safe using the drip network? Well, I saw another article today, and I don't know if you guys have heard about it, but this was crypto broker Voyager. So they filed for bankruptcy, and to sum up things, what happened was a company that took a loan out from them, 3AC, defaulted on that loan, and then which in turn brought down Voyager, the company itself. Now we had something similar to that almost with Celsius, and now they had to pay back their debt. So I mean, at this point, I know drip doesn't have any lending attached to it or anything that's similar yet, but with all that being said, that's something that we won't have to worry about in the drip network. So that's a great thing. That's a great feeling to have, and the fact that there's certain protocols or certain things in place during times of unfavorable markets, volatility, all that stuff that drip has built in to protect us as the investor, so that we could still get paid this 1% per day. So I think that's something that is not really talked about a lot, but I think it's something that's very important to sort of remember, because the drip network does have those protocols in place, and we've seen it in action when it was minting tokens, and it still was able to pay out that 1% daily. So that's one good thing to look at. Another thing is development. So some of the projects out there that are still out there that they haven't even launched yet. Now I know we're still waiting on the rest of the Animal Farm, and I know we're still waiting on a couple other things. The drip, some of the gamifications that's coming to the drip network itself, the faucet, and then the new drip UI and all that stuff. But we're getting constant updates, and we know that they're building the team, they're making the team bigger, and Forex is hiring more people. So we know development's on the way, and judging from the Telegram group, when I last checked, it seemed like it was going to be August when a lot of this stuff was going to come out. But if you look at projects like Pulse X, which has had tons and tons of money locked into it, and who knows when this thing is going to launch. That not many developments have occurred, and now we're just sort of, I guess there's a test net of some sorts, but nothing has been said. So who knows? I think it's going to launch. I think it will launch, but it's just taking quite some time. But then again, Forex and the drip network also, with some of the developments, some people could say it could go a lot quicker, but I'm of the mindset of, hey, if it's for the sake of doing something right and making sure it launches properly, then take your time, because in the meantime, I'm just going to keep accumulating, because once all that stuff comes out, I don't think, this is my opinion, we're not going to be seeing this price anymore. And I believe we're going to just go past we will surpass all-time highs. So that's my mindset right now. That's what I'm thinking for that. But Other than that, yeah, I've just been compounding and continue just to hydrate to each and every day, and then taking some money out from other projects. So elephant.money, and then I'm not pulling too much out of Rex because I'm not making that much out of it right now. But I plan on doing that. As soon as my Rex bag gets a little bit bigger. So anyway, that's the video for today. Please comment, like, subscribe at the very bottom. I appreciate everybody's time, and I will see you guys on the next one.